Don't worry about screwing me over at this point. I may
Oh,
have to go after you.
I wasn't thinking. Alright, I'll go 9. I'm
Okay,
rolling.
I think I know what I'm gonna try.
I'll take Waluigi back. So I'm gonna steal a star.
Not for me this time. Okay, never mind.
No, I did random. I seriously did random. The game hates Drew.
I had to play to screw over somebody, and then it got reversed to whatever. I just want to land on chance time to see if I can't get lucky with something.
Yep. That purge happened though. So I got 2 stars.
You got stars.
Oh, it's up.
My gosh.
Oh wait, doesn't matter though, because technically speaking, I can just warp myself up there anyway. I'm a star pipe. Well, I don't care. I want the lucky space. $12 coins. Okay, not too bad.
Money.
Oh yeah. Even more money.
Yay, money! Is that what I was hoping? Home stretch. Oh, the home stretch is gonna be interesting.
Oh yeah.